Good morning children, I am Prashant and I am taking your drawing subject. I hope you all are fine at home in this tough time. Today I will teach you what is drawing and how you will improve your drawing skills. You listen carefully and observe how to draw. In this lesson we will discuss what is drawing, different types of basic line. Drawing is a form of visual art made with any medium, or we can say the art or technique of producing images on a surface, usually paper, by means of marks usually of pen, pencil, ink, graphite, chalk, charcoal or crayon. Children, we can simply say when we present our imaginations on paper or any surface through pen, pencil or color, that is called drawing. In your imaginations, many things are there, my children. Moon, stars, sky, bird, flower and butterflies, fruits, vegetables, ice creams, house, etc. Sometimes you imagine like this also. Air balloon, sweet family, flowers. But my children, when you are going to draw all these things, sometimes you draw very nicely and sometimes not. It's not so good. Why not good? How to improve your drawing skills? Don't worry children. We learn today some basic lines in drawing which will improve your drawing skills. Children, you have to draw along with me now. Come on, get your pencil and paper ready. Let us see how to draw standing line or vertical line. At the time of practicing, children, you will try to draw from top to bottom. Now, sleeping line or horizontal line. This line, when you will draw, you will try to draw from left to right in this direction. Okay? Let us see how to draw. Let us draw few slanting lines. Yes, we again draw slanting line, but this time in opposite direction. Let us learn how to draw simple curve. Yes, it looks like big C. Again we draw big C, but this time it will be opposite. Now draw a few long curves. Yes, it look like snake. It looks like wave. Once again curved lines, but little different. Now we are going to draw a combination of curves and lines. Now small curves we will take and draw. Now let us draw a combination of slanting lines. Yes, it looks like mountain. Let us draw a combination of standing line and sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. Standing, sleeping. Standing, sleeping. My dear children, these lines are very important. So you will regularly practice this one. Okay? For your practice at home, take a drawing paper and draw standing line and sleeping lines on it. Fill the paper completely with it. Take a drawing paper and draw the various curves you learnt in this lesson. The paper should be filled completely. That's all for today. Have a nice day.